Let me show you how this traditional rice wine and milk combination became my secret weapon for healthy weight management. This isn't just another trend, it's a game-changing elixir that actually tastes incredible. Start with 2 tablespoons of fermented rice wine. That natural sweetness and probiotics goodness is everything. Add a cup of pure milk. The protein and creaminess create the perfect balance. For coffee lovers, a shot of espresso take this to another level, but it's completely optional. Just stare together and watch how these simple ingredients transform into something magical. The rice wine's slight fizziness plays against the milk's richness, while the coffee adds depth if you choose to include it. This isn't just a drink, it's a metabolism booster that satisfies cravings while providing real nutrition. The fermentation process creates natural enzymes that support digestion, making this ideal after indulgent meals. What surprises most people is how something this simple can be so effective. The combination of protein, probiotics, and natural sweetness keeps you full and satisfied while supporting your wellness goals.